Good morning, kids. In the previous video, we have revised the chapter 8, that is fractions. And today we are going to start a new chapter, that is decimals. Okay, now kids, the decimal is having its base in its fraction. Decimal का जो base है वो fraction chapter से निकलता है. So I am sure that you are thorough with the fractions chapter, and that's why we will start with a fraction and then we will jump on to the decimals. Fine, so that you can understand it easily. Okay, now see what is here. You will find the numbers with a point here everywhere. 8.2, 0.1, 0.7, 9.3. These are all the examples of decimals. Okay, now let's have one figure which is showing like this. Can you represent this figure into fractions? Yes? What is this? This is an example of mixed fraction wherein you have two whole part and one part is a proper fraction. Yes, that is, this is a mixed fraction and it can be written as two whole part and one colored part out of two. So that is 1 by 2. So this is an example of mixed fraction. Now this mixed fraction can be written as 2.5 also. Now what is this 2.5? This is a decimal ka example. Why it is decimal ka example? Because it has a decimal point in between the numbers. This point you can see, the kids. This is the example of decimal numbers. Okay, so fraction is related to decimal numbers and the decimal numbers are related to fractions. That we will see in the later part of the chapter. Fine. Now I will explain you with the example. Now I want all of you to remove your compass box or your pencil, eraser and ruler or the scale you have. Yes, in the scales you have centimeters. Yes, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4, 10 ruler hai aapke paas. Fine. So you will see between the two numbers, that is the 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. I have taken that example, 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter ke beech mein you will find small lines. Yes, and there are 9 lines as such. Okay, so I will say that 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter को 10 parts में divide किया गया है. 2 and 3 के बीच में you will have 9 lines, so it is divided into 10 equal parts. Yes, and if I ask you to represent one part out of that, you will say that, ma'am, ये one part है. Okay, so I will write 1 by 10. Fraction में आप कैसे लिखोगे? one part को represent करने के लिए 1 by 10, because one colored part out of 10 parts. Yes, so it will have 0.1 as its value. Okay, now I am asking to mark 2.5. So this is 2.5 here. Okay, so what exactly is 2.5? It is before the decimal, it is known as a whole number because 2 is the whole. 2 centimeter पूरा और उसके ऊपर 5 point. This is 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point and 5 point. Okay, so this is the whole number and then you have a point, that is decimal point, and decimal point के बाद वाले numbers को क्या कहा जाता है? They are known as decimals. Okay, once again, before the decimal point it is known as whole number, after the decimal point it is known as decimal, and it is read as 2.5. Okay, fine. Now we will have other assumptions or other examples. Okay, now let's see. This you have till now, this you have assumed as 1. Okay, 1 block. Now this 10 such 10 blocks will give you tens, and ऐसे 10 times will give you 100. Yes, so this is ones, tens and 100. So let's take one example, 423. So 3 is ones, 2 is tens and 4 is 100. So 423. This though you all know. Fine. But I want you to change the assumption or to change the value. Now suppose this is equal to 1. This is not equal to 100. What it is? This is equal to 1. Then how you will represent this? So you will say, ma'am, ये ऐसे represent करते हैं, one part out of the 100. Yes, or I can say 10 blocks out of 100 blocks. Yes, so it will be 10 out of 100 or 1 out of 10. Yes, so this is also represented as 0.1. एक जीरो है ना, तो यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट के बाद नंबर, सॉरी, एक नंबर के बाद पॉइंट आएगा, बिकॉज यू हैव 1 0, इट इज 0.1 एंड इट इज नोन एज टेंथ. नाउ सी द डिफरेंस, दिस इज नोन एज टेंथ एंड दिस इज नोन एज टेंस. सो टेंस को आप कैसे लिखोगे? 1 0. यस, बट आप टेंथ को कैसे लिखोगे? 0.1. इज इट क्लियर? ओके. नाउ इफ आई आस्क कि आप ये सिंगल ब्लॉक को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करोगे, अगर ये ब्लॉक को मतलब ये पार्ट को आप पूरा 1 एज्यूम करते हो. So this will be, you will say ma'am like this, it will represent 1 block out of 100 blocks. Yes, so how I'll write this? I will write it as 1 block out of 100 blocks. Yes, so it can be written as 0.01. Fine. And because it is having two zeros, see 1 0 and 2 0, so you will have a decimal point before two numbers. Okay, see, here is the decimal point, previously it was here, so you will jump it as 1 0 2 0. यहाँ पे आएगा decimal point. Clear? And this is known as hundredth. What it is known? Hundredth. See, this is hundreds. So यहाँ पे 100 100 होगा और hundredth में क्या होगा? 0.01. Okay, now let's take one example of the decimal. It is 0.423. See, यहाँ पे 423 है, यहाँ पे 0.423 है. Now kids, I want you to understand this also. Now here 3 is 100, 2 is tens and 4 is ones. Okay, उल्टा जाना है. What it is? 3 ones नहीं है, 3 क्या है? hundreds की प्लेस में है. Fine. And 2 कौन सी प्लेस में है? 10th place. And 4 is in the ones place. Okay, that I will make you understand in the later videos also. Don't be afraid if you are not getting. Okay, watch the video again and again, you will be clear with it. Okay, I'm moving slowly so that you can understand. Fine. Now every figure you have to write it in the two forms. One is in the decimal form and one is in the fraction form. So आप क्या करोगे पता है? पहले आप fraction form में लिखोगे, because fractions तो you know. Okay, and fractions लिखने के बाद you will convert it into decimal point. Fine, let's move on, let's study together. Okay, now I have taken, now we have seen that 10th को कैसे लिखते हैं? 1 by 10th and 0.1. पहले आपको कैसे लिखना है? फ्रैक्शंस में लिखना है and उसके बाद डेसिमल्स में लिखना है. So 0.1 and it is represented as 10 blocks. Okay, and 100 को 1 by 100, this is in the fraction form and this is in the decimal form, 0.01, and 100 is represented by 1 block. Okay, fine. Okay, now let's see, visualizing the figure, how the color part is written. Okay, now see, this first block is divided into 10 and 6 is colored. So how you will write 6 part out of 10 and उसका decimal कैसे लिखते हैं? 0.6 and it is read as 6/10. Okay, now kids, reading part I'm going to take in the next video. In this video we are only going to see writing of the decimals. Okay, खाली writing कैसे करना है figure को देख के. Fine. So this is the second figure wherein you have divided the whole figure into 100 part. And out of that 100 part, I have colored how many? How many blocks I have colored? I have colored 60 blocks. See, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 blocks I have colored. So 60 by 100. Fine. Now, mere observation, I will say that 6 by 10 is equal to 60 by 100. These are equivalent fraction. Yes, because 6 multiplied by 10 will give you 60. 10 multiplied by 10 will give you 100. Okay, so if I draw this horizontal vertical lines, 10 times vertical lines, I will get the same figure. Yes, the colored portion is same, but the numerator and denominator is different, and that is known as equivalent fraction. Yes, are you getting? Okay. Now the next figure I have taken 10 section है और उसमें कितना color part है? 4 color part. So I will write as 4 by 10. and in the decimal form, how I will write 0.4. Okay, now this next figure, it is divided into 100 parts. So 40 is colored because 10, 20, 30 and 40 out of 100. Okay, so it is 40 by 100. Fine, and it is written as 0.40. क्लियर. यहाँ पे 1 0 है तो एक डेसिमल पॉइंट आएगा, यहाँ पे 2 0 है तो डेसिमल पॉइंट कितनी बार जंप करेगा, 1 बार, 2 बार. Okay, so it is 0.6 again. Now this also are equivalent fraction by observing, because 4 tens are 40, 10 tens are 100. Yes, so clear with it? Okay. Now I want you to just learn how to write the decimal number seeing the figure. Okay, so I told you first you will write it in the fractions and then you will write it in the decimal form. Fine. Now this is 2 parts, 2 whole part. So I will write 2. Clear? This is 1. I told you assume this as 1. So this is 1, this is 2. Fine. Now I have taken these 2 parts. So this is, and this 2 part and this 4 blocks. Okay, so what is this? 10, 20 and 4. So it is 24. Okay, but 24 मैम ने कैसे लिया है? Out of these 100, I have taken this 24 only. So it is represented as 24 by 100. ये दो पूरे part, that is 2 here. Okay, and this is 24 by 100. So it can be written as 0.24. Okay, now 0.24 plus 2, it will be 2.24. So now as this are only a part, so I will have point here. This is the decimal point and I will write 24. Clear with it? Yes. See, why it is 2.24, 2 whole part, and then 20 and 4, and these are not the whole part. That is why ma'am has written decimal in between. Point लिखा है ma'am ने, and 24. Now kids, you cannot read this as 2.24. You have to read 2.24. Decimal के बाद वाला thing you have to read it as 24, not 24. Clear? I will repeat again and again. It will be clear to you. Fine. Now let's take other example. 1 block. This is the value of 1. So I will write 1. And this is one chota sa block. That is 1 block out of 100 blocks. Yes. So 1 for the whole part, and it is having 1 out of 100. This is for 1, and this block के लिए मैम ने क्या लिखा है? 1 by 100. And it can be written also as 0.01. Yes. So I will write 1 whole for 1. And इसके लिए मैम क्या डालेंगे? Because it is not the whole part, I will write 1 decimal and then 0.1. Clear? Yes? Okay. Now let's take this example. Now there is no whole part as such. Directly ma'am has taken 20. Okay, 20 and 2 here. So 22 is there. Fine, but I will not write 22 because it is not the whole part. Okay, ये decimal के बाद वाला part है. So I will write as 0.22. Because point के पहले क्या हमने पढ़ा था? Whole part होना चाहिए, और point के बाद क्या होना चाहिए? Decimals होना चाहिए. So here we don't have any whole part. Okay, so it is 0.22. Fine. Now let's take example by coloring it. So it will be easier for you. Okay, fine. So the first example I have divided into 100 parts, and how many are colored? ये 10 colored, ये 20 colored, और ये 28 colored. Okay, 8 part is colored. So I will have 28 out of 100 blocks colored. 28 colored box out of 100 blocks. Yes, so it can be written as 0.28. कैसे पढ़ना है? 28 by 100 and 0.28, not 0.28. ऐसे नहीं पढ़ना है. 0.28 is wrong. It is to be read as 0.28. Clear? Now see this section. I have one whole color part. यहाँ पे कोई कलर, एक पूरा कलर पार्ट नहीं था. So it is 0 point. यहाँ पे कहां से शुरू होगा, 1 पॉइंट से शुरू होगा, बिकॉज 1 इज अ होल कलर्ड पार्ट. Yes, so I will write one whole colored part, and then how many 100 है और 1, 10, 20 और 25. So 1.25. Yes, because one whole colored part and then 25 out of 100. So this is written as 1.25. See the difference. Okay, it is 0.28, sorry 0.28, and it is 1.25. Clear? Let's take other example that says that it is divided into 100 part. Okay, and how many are colored, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 or 2 blocks. So 52 blocks are colored. So I will write 52 by 100 as a fraction. मैम ने कहा है first you will write it in the fraction forms and then you will write it in the decimal forms. Okay, so 52 by 100 is also written as 0.52 and it is represented as this figure. Clear? Fine. Reading part we will see, that is 5200, that we will see in the next video. Fine. Okay. Okay. Now moving on to the exercise. Fine. So chalo, guess out how you will write this. This is 10, 20 and 26. So this is 26, 0.26. Yes. Or I can say this is, now okay, wait. So this is 0.26. Clear? And now moving on to the next fraction, this is 10. Okay, this is divided into 10 and only 4 is colored. So it is 0.4. Yes, and this is divided into 100 part. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45. So 0.45. Because see kids, यहाँ पे 10 है, so एक ही फिगर है. यहाँ पे 100, yes, so there are two figures, 45. यहाँ पे 26, because there are 100 here. It is divided into 100 part. Yes, now this is divided into 10 parts, so what it will be, 0.1, because only 1 is colored out of 10 parts, so it is 0.1. Now how you will write it in the fraction? Chalo, let's see. You have to complete the exercise 9.1. That is the question number 2 only. क्या करना है, 9.1 का question number 2 only. Fine. Now we will see in the fractions form also. Okay. See, 26 by 100. So it is written as 0.26 because 26 portion is colored out of 100 portion. Yes. Now here you have 4 portion colored out of 10 portion. So 4 by 10, it is written as 0.4. Right? Now here 45 is colored out of 100. So you will write 0.45. Yes, because 2 zeros are there. So 1 time and 2 time jump. Yes. Okay. Now here you have only 1 colored part out of 10 parts. So 1 colored part out of 10 part. This fraction can be written as 0.1. Clear with it? Okay, I hope you will complete your exercise 9.1, and if you have any doubt, it will be solved in our Connect to Scholar session. Okay, fine. Thank you.